Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make 3 different pumpkin desserts. These are all super quick and easy. One of them is going to be a pie, one is a cookie, and one is a cake. So without further ado, let's get started.
We're running out of time!
Alright guys, so start off by preheating your oven, 350. This is like the best out of all 3 in my opinion. We're gonna save, instead of saving the best for last, we're gonna be doing the best first. So, we're gonna get a bowl and you are gonna prepare this pumpkin cake mix. I found this one at Target. It was really fun to go to different stores and see all of the different stuff they have. That's pumpkin variety. So we're just going to prepare this cake mix following the directions on the back. This is some water and oil, the eggs. Once you have this nice silky smooth batter with no more lumps, you're gonna put it into a baking sheet, like a baking pan. This is 13 by 9. Get it on in there. All right, we got our cake in our 13 by 9 inch pan. Next, we're gonna take, this is pumpkin instant pudding mix. This is batch brand. I found this one at Walmart. So you could find this at, you could get this at Walmart, or you can order like the actual Jello brand on Amazon, of course. That one I couldn't find anywhere. I checked so many stores. You're gonna mix your pudding mix with 2.5 cups of water. We're gonna take your pudding mix, once it's mixed, and then pour it all over the top of the cake. Just go like this so that it doesn't sink. This looks kind of funny, but believe it or not, it's gonna be incredible. You're gonna pop this into the oven at 350. Okay guys, so next we are going to make pumpkin spice cookies. Now this is really easy. I found these at Target. What are these actually? Let me try one. This literally, this is like, shoot. I guess these aren't chocolate chips. Let me put this cake in the oven. We're gonna use these. I've never had them before, but they'll do. They taste very pumpkin-y. You're gonna just put a box of this spice cake mix in your bowl, 2 eggs, and this is a 1/2 cup of softened, kind of melted butter. If you wanted to, you can use oil also. So you're gonna mix this up just as so. And once you have this nice cookie dough consistency, you're gonna go ahead and add your wonderful little pumpkin spice latte flavored morsels. These really taste pumpkin-y. I was surprised. Take spoonfuls of this and just plop it right down onto your baking sheet. Alright guys, and once you have all of your cookies on your baking sheets, you're gonna put them in the oven. And these are gonna bake for around 12 to 14 minutes at 350. And last but not least, we're gonna make the easiest dessert out of them all. We're gonna make a delicious pumpkin pie using only 3 simple ingredients. So the first thing you're gonna do is take some pumpkin flavored chips. These are pumpkin spice flavored baking chips by Lily's. So you're gonna put these in a bowl and these are gonna go straight into the microwave. After about 30 seconds, take your chocolate out. And as you can see, it's pretty melted, but don't like zap this for a long time because if you overheat the chocolate, you won't be able to use it because it's gonna end up becoming really hard. Continue mixing it until the rest of the chocolate is melted. This is white chocolate and it's pumpkin spice flavored, but you can do this with any candy you like. Now that our chocolate is nice and silky smooth, you're gonna take your second ingredient, which is Cool Whip. And this Cool Whip is just something really easy to use, but if you don't like Cool Whip, like if you're not a fan of the ingredients, you can always whip up a little cup of heavy whipping cream until firm peaks form, and just use this instead of this. The ingredients of this are crazy. So this is Cool Whip that has been fully thawed. Put it into the bowl and fold in your melted chocolate. Now that we have this really delicious looking filling, you're just gonna put it into a prepared pie crust. This is the one I'm using today. This is a pumpkin spice flavored nut pie crust by Diamond. You're just gonna put all your filling into the pie. Well, look at that. Let's try some. Whoa. Oh my gosh, this actually, this tastes like a real pumpkin pie. Could you believe it? Let's take a look at our cookies. Oh, look at them. They look so cute in there. They're all puffing up. Our cake, you can't really see because the cookies are taking up all the space. You are waiting for the pumpkin cookies, huh?
No, I'm actually waiting for the pumpkin cake.
Are you waiting for the cookies? The house right now, it smells absolutely heavenly with all of these spices. This pie was so quick to make. Look at that. I'm just gonna put it in the fridge just so it could set while all the other stuff is almost finished baking up. 14 minutes have passed and our pumpkin spice latte cookies are ready. These were the fastest cookies I've ever made. Look how easy they come off. They're so cute. They're so soft. They're like pillowy soft, and they have the most delicious spiciness to them. These morsels were really funny. Have any of you guys ever tried these? They were really interesting. They had like white chocolate and little pumpkin pieces. Like dried pumpkin, which was really weird, like a pumpkin candy. With coffee, these are absolutely incredible. Wow, I love the crispiness on the outside. Look at this. Incredible. You could garnish this with like maybe a little pumpkin pie spice. Whoa, the creaminess is unbelievable. Let's put it in a plate before it falls. It's so creamy, look at that. Whoa, this tastes exactly like pumpkin pie. That crust is really good. If you wanted to, you could bake up like a normal pastry crust. Let it cool and then use that. Alright guys, the cake is finally ready. We're gonna take it out of the oven. Careful, Pitty. You don't want to burn yourself. Oh my gosh, this looks incredible. Look at it. You see this? Look, when you jiggle it, look at all that pumpkin. It's all gooey all over. Show you. Wow, look. Oh my gosh. This is definitely my favorite out of all the pumpkin recipes today. Oh my gosh. It's so gooey. Look how fluffy it is. And the bottom, I need a little plate. Look at the bottom. It just has so much delicious sauce. Ow! Oh my gosh, the pan is so hot. It's so soft, so tender, and it has all that sauce on top. Oh man. This definitely wins the award. This is one of the most incredible things I've ever had in my life. The cake is so soft. Whoa. It's absolutely incredible. I don't know what happens while it bakes, but it just makes the most incredible sauce. I don't even know how it still stays saucy after pouring it over that cake batter. I can't stop eating this. Wow. The best for last. And there you have it, guys. 3 incredibly quick and easy pumpkin desserts. These took such little time to make. Anybody can make them. They're a lot of fun. And the best part of all is they fill your house with the most incredible scent of all the spices, the cinnamon, and all that warm pumpkin gooiness. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.